Place the adjustable bolt through the top hole and attach the bottom half. Just get it started. Hook it on the top there. Hook it on the bottom of the bin. Do it up by hand as much as you can. Just get it central to the, as close as you can to the centre of the bin. Just grab a shifter and do this bolt up. Just do it up until the handle doesn't wobble too much. Not super tight, but just nice and firm. That's it. Place the handle on the wheelie bin in a central position on the central axis, and measure down from the top 200 millimeters to the center of the first hole. Place the bolts, these are special bolts with no sharp edges so that they don't tear the plastic bags. Put the bolt, it's a big washer, in through from the inside. After getting the first bolt tight, just adjust the handle so that it's nice and straight with the bin. Drill a second hole diagonally opposite. Put your bolt in this one. Once that one's done, drill the other two and bolt your 4 bolts up. Removing the lid. Gently prise your screwdriver into the side here. There's a little groove inside the pin. The screwdriver can fit down inside there, and you just prise it out like that.